What's up, guys? NJ Slockeye here from the Jack Cleveland Casino. We are at first time ever played Silk Road. There's our numbers. All right, we're gonna be doing $7.50 a spin. We got 600 in. Let's spin, let's win. Let's see what we need here, guys. First time ever played. Hello. Don't know what happened there, guys. He's obviously wild. Alright, I'm gonna have to hit the actual button, I guess. Alright, there you go. Oh, wait. I'm used to the Sahara Gold being wild, right? The camel. That looks like its own thing there. Hey, that's nice, no? 39 bucks there, guys. These buttons stink. There you go. All right, we got a little Silk Road action going on for you here. All right, oh, there he is. Good. All right, no teasers yet with the balls, but I'm sure it's coming. How many lines? Line 17, so 25 lines here. Got it. Looking for one bonus game to drop this major, maybe. Major's pretty high. It's high. It's the highest on all four. That's why I picked that. I've also never played Silk Road before, so. All right, so three of those is what we're chasing, it looks like. 3 of the Sahara Gold camels we need, guys. The balls are starting to drop now. Might go up to $12.50 a spin, actually, guys. Actually, that's going to go a little too quick, isn't it? That's all right. Leave it. We're going to leave it. Oh, no, we went back down. I didn't mean to do that. Back up. $12.50. There you go. All right. Sorry, guys. The buttons are all screwed up, like I told you. So we got a 5 times bet multiplier here going on because of it. Look at this. 1. Golden Gong. I've never played that one either. I never played that. 3. Look at this. Bunch of stuff going on there. Yeah, see, $12.50 ate it up, man. Should have kept it at $7.50, guys. I apologize. Move over a little. Ooh, I just heard a major jackpot drop for somebody. I don't hear the ringing now. No. They must not have got it. Oh, shit. Did he get it? I hope he got it. I don't hear yelling, but... $12.50 was a little, I overdid it with the $12.50. So, let's hope we hit big. Oof, almost got it there. It's the closest we came so far. Silk Road, eh? A lot of noise. All the wrong noises. Hey, $27.50 there for the old double up almost. Hey, we got it, guys. All right, let's hope it gives us our money back so we can get out of here. Or a major. Now, is the button going to work? No. Not even close. So if I can't start the feature, what do I do? There you go. Finally got it, guys. Just had to really slap it. So we're going to have to be a Sally slapper. Sorry. Mini bonus for 100. It's the same as a $1,000 fireball. Sorry, guys. Just bear with me here. I apologize. If I would have known that, I would have never came to it. Another mini bonus for $100. Nice. Come on, mother. Before I start cursing. Hey, those are all double up balls, the 250. That's nice. Ooh, did you sir him? I sir him. I sir him, the minor. All right, come on, make it interesting. All right. Hey, guys, that's a great one. The old Silk Road. Boom. Nice one. 425 there, guys. That's going to give us all of our money back. How about that? We'll go back down to 750 here, and then we'll play it down to our even number, 600 here. Beautiful. Just what we wanted. So I guess it was a good idea to keep it on 1250, huh? Look at this. Look at the blocker, too. Wow, back-to-backs here. Just about. I got to deal with this button again. Oh, I saw him. I saw him again, guys. That's gonna do it. Alright, 127 to 50 will put us up and over 700 now. To give us a little bit more to play with. Oh, surprised they didn't do a quick stop there. You see the guy hitting the thing over there on the gong? See him going? Look at him go. I saw him again. I want a mini, a minor, and a major all in one drop. Has anybody done that? I'm sorry if you have, and I missed it. Alright, even money there. Ah, we still want 3 of those guys. That's right, I forgot about them. The old Sahara Gold Camel. Alright, guys, so again, we're going down. We're going down completely to even. Sorry, guys. Just moving around here. Give me a sec. Alright, there we go. $3 for that? See, now that's a nice one, that 1,500 credit one. Ooh, one more bonus game before we're out of here? What do you think? One more. There it is. We got it again. Said one more. Called it. Let this be the one. All right, let's get some serious... let's get some letters. Saw them. Well, the button's working a little bit better, which is good. Hey, the mini drop there for 100. What? All right, that's gonna do it. $212.50, guys. It's gonna put us up and over 800 now. So now we're gonna go down to 700. So we walk away with money. Oh, maybe even more. Let's see. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. Yeah. 750's working. It's giving us a lot of money here. What did I say? 700? You know what, guys? Let's call it 800. Let's call it 800. That's what we're gonna do. Still looking for the Sahara Gold bonus to happen for us. One more to go. It's going to be perfect if nothing comes out, too. It's going to be 800 on the dot. Stupid kings. Well, I'm not doing 150, guys. So we're going to cash that out. 801.50, guys. Made some money on Silk Road. Made some money on the old Silk Road. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to stay notified. I'll have some more videos for you soon.